You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Hey, so good to see you on this Monday afternoon. We do see some rain. I know some parts of the region had some light rain earlier in the day, and it looks like we'll be seeing some periods of rain intermittently throughout the afternoon into the evening. Depending on where you are, maybe a millimeter or two, no less than, or no more than 4 to 5 millimeters, I'm thinking today. And then mostly cloudy for tomorrow. And then some sunshine on the other side of that. But concentrating on today, yeah, the bulk of that system sort of hovering around upper New York State, and we were catching the fringes of it, and we'll catch the fringes of it throughout the afternoon. But by Wednesday, we start to see those clouds break up, and we do see some sunshine from Wednesday all the way into the weekend. Not bad at all. Temperatures are also rising. You'll notice that tomorrow. But for Belleville today, 16 degrees, no more than 4 millimeters at this point. 18 for tomorrow, mostly cloudy, and then a mix of sun and clouds for Wednesday, climbing to 21 degrees. And dealing with some overnight lows on the double-digit side of things. Brockville, 15 degrees today with 2 to 4 millimeters of rain. 17 tomorrow, 22 on Wednesday. Well above average, and again, some sunny periods. And for Smiths Falls, 15 degrees today. A little bit of sunshine with a couple of millimeters of rain. 17 tomorrow, mostly cloudy, but again, a little bit of sunshine poking through those clouds. And then a mix of sun and clouds for Wednesday, getting to 21 degrees. We'll climb higher than that by the end of the week. I'll get there in a moment, but for today, 15 degrees, no more than 5 millimeters of rain for Kingston. 18 for tomorrow, mostly cloudy. 21 on Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds. In fact, Thursday and Friday, those sunny periods just keep on coming, and highs of 22 degrees to end the week.
Yes, the showers have slowed down. There's a very small probability this evening, and then it comes to an end for most of us across eastern Ontario for several days. But it might take another day or so before we get back into some sunny skies, and we'll let you know why in just a few minutes. 15 for a high in Belleville, Kingston, Brockville today as high as 16 in Smiths Falls, 17 in Ottawa. A little cooler in Peterborough with 14, but 15 in Oshawa, 16 in Toronto. Seasonal average is 15, so we're right on the mark for a daytime high today, even though you didn't like it. I know it's been a little warmer lately. Well, I got some good news for you. The temperature is going to come back up again. Northeast winds gusting to 33 today, but we'll probably find that turn around and will, become more of a westerly, southerly eventually, and then, yeah, that temperature going to come back up again. Just a trace, barely a trace of a mist drizzle today. Threatened a couple times to rain and just couldn't come up with the energy to do so. And I think that's what you're facing tonight. And through the day tomorrow, that sunshine doesn't want to move in. You're going to look at mostly cloudy conditions, even though you've got 1, 2, 3 high pressure systems bearing down on us. The nice thing about this is the high pressure, because we've got these 3 solid highs here, it's blocking a lot of the low pressure in the south that wants to move on out into our region. This one gets sent out to, off to sea, and another one starts to stall and actually goes retrograde, moving back west. This means, despite the fact you'll have 2 very strong areas of high pressure, they're going to be dirty highs. You're going to see clouds, mix of sun and cloud. All of a sudden it'll get really cloudy and then it'll clear back up again, all because you keep getting this wash from these lows that so desperately want to push through and nail us with some rain. They're sort of being deflected off to the coast. And so this is where we sit now. This is why we're saying, yeah, chance of drizzle showers. But most of that active weather, as you can see, is south of us and moving east, clearing a bit, but we're not getting rid of it entirely. As to the north, up in Ottawa, they're going to have lots of sunshine. For us, it's going to be mostly cloudy tomorrow, but come Wednesday, you'll get into this lovely, mainly sunny to mix of sun and cloud. So yeah, another day of mostly cloudy conditions. Belleville, a high 19. You'll be up to 21 on Wednesday with a mix of sun and cloud. When your seasonal average is at 15, that's pretty good. 22 for a high Thursday, too, with a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville rising to 18 tomorrow, lots of cloud. Wednesday, mix of sun and cloud, rising to 21 and 22 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls rising to 18 Celsius tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny Wednesday, rising to 21 and up to 20 on Thursday with a mix of sun and clouds. Everybody's seeing that climb in the temperatures over the next couple days as the sunshine slowly makes its comeback. 19 for a high tomorrow, Kingston, mostly cloudy. Some partial clearing overnight leads to a mix of sun and cloud. Wednesday, a high of 21. 21 again Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same on Friday with a high of 21 Celsius. And wouldn't you know it, the chance of showers returns for the weekend, a high 20 and about a 40% chance of showers through the afternoon. That probability may grow as we roll into Sunday, and we'll have those details for you with your 7-day forecast a little later. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
All right, the best of September. Willie Harpel of Kingston with our second runner-up. Do you remember this? When we had that water spout so close to us in Lake Ontario. This is our second runner-up. First runner-up is from Sarah Taggart of Wolf Island. Lovely little sunset with the birds all taking off at the same time. So it's just absolutely, I like the way they're all silhouetted, but still in form. And the best one we had to give to Gail Douglas of Newburgh for September. This was the best picture. A little bit of an action shot and a lovely story that goes with it too. This family of ducks sort of grew up and matured over the summer as Gail's granddaughter played with them in the water at the cottage. That's her jumping off the dock.
So they were used to her?
Yeah, they sort of imprinted on her, and anytime she went out for a swim, they all came around and played with her.
Is that ever nice?
Nice. So, Gail, someone will be in touch with you soon to let you know. We'll probably be handing out an umbrella for you, but we'll let you know soon.
Well, those September swims are now few and far between, Bill, that's for sure.
Yes.
Though, temperatures are quite impressive for midweek in the low 20s. That's pretty good.
Yeah, up to 20, 21, 22 some places. You know, it's very nice. And it's not that rare, but it certainly is nice to see every time the temperature slips. It doesn't take long for it to rebound. We have this sort of extended summer. It's really quite nice.
And it is to get the sunshine back, too, because we've had a couple of dreary days. You need to move on to something, you know, get the sun out there.
Yes,
right?
it's coming. It's coming.
And we'll look for the 7-day forecast from you, which will include Thanksgiving, I believe, a little bit later. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
High pressure coming in and trying to clear it up. It might take a day or so, but yeah, we've got some strong high pressure building just to the north of us. Another one in the southwest coming in. There's actually 3 of them sort of right over us, just to the north. So what we're going to see is a very slow and gradual clearing, and though high pressure, that barometric pressure does get high, we're still looking at some clouds. So tomorrow you're still looking at sort of a mostly cloudy situation. Low pressure coming up from the south, being sort of pushed down and off to the east, being deflected a little bit, but we're still getting the cloud coverage from this low that's moving out. It just can't go north, being pushed out to the Atlantic as these areas of high pressure grow stronger, but you can see because more low pressure wants to come up this way, we're still seeing a bit of cloud in the area. So we're not going to have pure sunny conditions despite the fact that 2 areas of high pressure are bearing down on us, but it will help keep the active weather and most of the cloud at bay. So 19 degrees for a high tomorrow, Belleville, mostly cloudy. Wednesday, you'll have a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 21. And look at this, 22 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. You should only be hitting about 15 degrees. So well above normal again. It's October and it's feeling like August. Brockville, 18 and cloudy. Wednesday, mix of sun and cloud and 21. And then Thursday, Brockville, you'll have a high 22 and a mix of sun and cloud. Mix of sun and cloud for Smiths Falls tomorrow with a high of 18. 21's your high Wednesday, mainly sunny, and a mix of sun and cloud Thursday with a high of 20. Cloudy tomorrow, 19's your high. Kingston up to 21 over Wednesday and Thursdays. The mix of sun and cloud returns. The chance of showers returns just in time for the weekend.